Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about starting a new project and creating what we call a VM or a device, a virtual device that can be able to run our project. So let's start. Now, if you have installed Android Studio successfully using some videos, the previous videos, you are able to reach this step. So after you reach this step, if you click on create new project, okay, it will come here. We have a lot. There is a basic activity, bottom navigation activity, empty activity, and all that. So depending on the kind of the project you want, you can choose any. And here you can choose the operating system. You can have use the one for the phones and tablets, the one for the Wear OS, Android TV, and a lot of them here. So for now, let's go for a phone and tablet, and we choose empty activity. Then we click continue. So here you put the name of your project. So I'm going to put demo project, demo application. Okay. Let me write my demo application. My demo application, and this will be the package name. com.example.stat. So here you can choose any SDK that you feel like. The software will download the SDK. So depending on the percentage of the devices you want your application to run to. So you can see when I choose a different one, the percentage will change. When I choose a different one, the percentage will change. So I can make that. It is up to 99.8%. So click finish. And the application will now start loading. And you will see here some build information for your application. All right, so okay, so now from there we can now see that the project is scanning files and all that. To have to download the gradual files that are needed and be able to set. So here you need internet connection. You make sure that you're connected on internet and a stable one for it to generate the codes and the required dependencies around here. Okay, that's what you have. Okay, here we are. So after the project downloading all the gradual files and everything, you have this part. It is called project. Okay, and when you click here, it goes away. Here it comes back. So here is where you manage all your files of the project. So for example, this was our package name, and then these are other packages that they put that normally come. It is auto generated. So this is where we shall put all our classes. As you can see, this is the main class, and the language we are using is the Kotlin. So sometimes you may choose to use Java, sometimes you may choose to use any. So for now it is using Kotlin. Next time we may use Java, but I prefer Java because that's the most wide used language. So from here, where there is res is where you can find all the layout, the drawable, the map and the values of your application. So when you open layout here and you double click the activity main, this is how it looks like, and this is the code, and then this is the view of it. So you can decide to have two views. You can have to have this view, which is called the blueprint, and then the design, or you can choose to have only the design. So if you want to have the design only, you can click here and then choose design only. So you remove the blueprint, and if you want to extend, you can see this application prints hello world word here. So this is the code. You can have only the code by clicking here, and you can split the code and then the view, or you can see only the design, which is here. So for now, we shall not go into deep in the code. Let's look at installing a device, because to run this application we should have really a virtual device that can be able to run this code, or maybe if you have a phone, you can be able to run on it. So here you can see there is no device, so click here and then go to Sdk Manager. From here you come to create a virtual device, and then these are different devices that you can create, quite a variety. There are so many, and then you can create a tablet, you can create a phone. So for now, let's create a phone of 3 pixel. Okay, 3 pixel, or you can create any. So click next, and then you can see here the download the download images that are here. I have already downloaded this Oreo, and that is why it is showing me here very white. But you can download another one. You can click here and then it downloads it again. So for me, I can use this. So when you don't have, you can click here to the download, and then you accept the terms, and then you say next. The system will download all the necessary packages, and then you will be able to use it. Here you will need a little bit connection of the internet before it downloads. So let's wait for it to wait the download. Okay, so when it is done, you can click finish, and then you can see now you have two images, 27 and this, they are all active. So you can, this is Android 8.0, this is Android 8.1. so I'm going to use Android 8.1. So when I click next, you can see I have a variety of options here to choose. You can name your device from here. I can say I call it Android 8.1. okay, so that is the name of it, and this is you can choose landscape or what. You can use portrait. You can choose a lot of, but for now I'm going to leave all of them. I'm going to leave all of them as default, and then click finish. Then it will create the Android virtual device where we can be able to run our project after we have created it. So this will take some little time depending on the speed of your computer, and okay, so it is done. This is our Android 0.8 device, and for now we can close, and you can see that inside here where we had no devices, we have 108.1. So when you click on the run app, it will run this device, it will open it, and then it will be able to display all our code on it. You can see that there is a Gradle build, and after this it will have to show the application running. Okay, they are telling me that installed build tool revision 31 corrupted, remove and install again the SDK. Okay, we can come to Sdk Manager around here, and it will take time to open. So it has opened, and then make sure that all the SDKs are installed. Let us show the package details. We have this and we have that. Okay, let's go to SDK tools and show the package names. Okay, these are installed. Then we go to the project structure. Okay, so click on the module and then change this version to 30.0.3. okay, apply this. Fetching Gradle build. Now let's go to default configurations. Change this API version to 30. Click OK, and then it will start building here the Gradle process, and when it is done, the error should go away. Okay, so the Gradle is done, Gradle build is done, and then they are saying Android Studio is using the phone Sdk, which is that. Okay, and now I can click on run application.